Oh, we still have the rest of the month to get through. I mean, spring, meteorological spring is March 1st.
Right.
Of course, you know, the astronomical spring, I believe that's March 20th. So we have a typical February day on tap for us today, despite the fact that we're going to see lots of sunshine. Look outside right now and there's some cloud cover around. That's typical for February, but I do expect more sunshine as the day goes on. Those lake effect clouds will erode, but temperatures not getting out of the 30s. We'll be in the upper 30s today. Tomorrow we will get out of the 30s. We're going to push temperatures back up into the mid 40s, sunshine galore. No weather worries really this whole entire weekend and even beyond. It's not until Thursday when we'll have our next chance of rain. Monday, mix of sun and clouds, temperatures in the mid 40s, but we're off to a cold start for sure. Temperatures in places in the lower 20s from Lorain to Mansfield, Akron, Canton, but with no wind out there, that's just what it feels like. So it could be worse with a little wind, but winds will be light as we go through the whole entire weekend. Some backyard temps for you. It's 28 in Strongsville. Good morning to you. Cleveland Heights, Cuyahoga Falls checking in at 27, but all is quiet across the region. I mean, look at this. Most of the area cloud-free, especially west and southwest, but then you go over towards the lakeshore, eastern areas, you know, our typical lake effect communities. That's where we have the cloud cover around at the moment. Again, it'll take just a couple of hours as we head towards the late morning, especially in the afternoon. We've got lots of sunshine and tap for us. And then some clouds move back in overnight. That's going to help keep our temperatures from dropping in the lower 20s. I'm expecting upper 20s tonight, but notice no rain or snow. So coming up, I will have a look at our next system in the week ahead. There's one day in the 8-day forecast that I just have this hunch that we could possibly get to 70.
Wow.
I haven't put it on the map just yet, but I mean, I think there's a good shot.
Go
Remember
on
that?
ahead, Jen.
Yeah.
I just say do it. Just do it.
You know, I want to look for some more model trends to come out before I put that on the 8-day, but one day, and I'll show you it coming up in the 8-day on where I think and why I think it could possibly hit that mark. All right, so here's a look at what's going on right now. We do have some cloud cover across the area. It's lake effect clouds, but these will erode as we go through the morning hours. That by the afternoon, more and more sunshine. It is 31 degrees at Burke. We do have a light wind out of the north at 5. So our wind chills, you know, not bad whatsoever. It feels like what we're experiencing this morning. Some areas in the low 20s, so it's a cold start, but this is going to be a typical February day. Our average high, 38 degrees. We're going to hit that mark this afternoon. Yesterday, we hit 42. Sunrise this morning was at 7:28, and sunset is at 5:56, and still no tallies on the snowfall marks. All right, here's a look at what's going on across the region. We've got that cooler air in place. Temperatures ranging about 10 to 15 degrees below where we were this time yesterday. But if you notice off to the west, we've got a warming trend. That trend is headed in our direction as we go through the week this week. Check this out. By the time we get towards just after Valentine's Day, look how high that graph goes. We're talking temperatures 30 degrees above average. Do the math. What's average again? 38 degrees. So it is going to be rather warm. And if we get a real big breeze coming in out of the south, sustained about 20 to 30 miles per hour. So that's unfortunate. Yeah, it's going to be a windy day, but this is your day. Wednesday is the one to watch where temperatures I'd expect to at least get in the upper 60s, if not possibly 70 degrees. But with that said, it's a bigger system headed our way. And so we've got the rain moving in behind that warmth, and then it's changing over to snow and eventually colder air, but will it last? So here's a look at the system that I'm talking about. I'm skipping ahead because we have several dry days in store for us, even through Valentine's Day. This is Wednesday at 7 o'clock. This is your warm, mild, windy day. But watch as we head into Thursday morning. Showers start to develop from the southwest, widespread as we head through the day on Thursday. This is going to be all rain, and I expect temperatures to still be in the 60s at this point. Then as we head into Friday, could wrap up as a wintry mix early Friday morning. Friday at the moment looking dry, maybe a few flurries around, but then Friday night, I do expect a few lake effect snow showers. So enjoy the sunshine. I mean, not bad. Tomorrow's going to be a better day, 45 degrees, nice and quiet. And then here comes our warm up. On Valentine's Day, we're in the lower 50s, going with lower 60s right now, Wednesday and Thursday. But again, Wednesday, this is the day to watch. Temperatures could spike depending on how windy it gets. And then beyond that, we cool off. Falling temperatures through the day on Friday night. I do expect some lake effect snow showers, and temperatures as we head into the upcoming weekend back to average in the upper 30s. Back to you. Of our western basin. Now a difference, you go off to the east, and here in Cleveland we do have cloud cover across the area. Again, this is lake effect clouds. They will erode as we go through the morning. That I do expect those that are seeing the clouds right now to have lots of sunshine by the afternoon, and temperatures definitely on the cooler side of things. We are back to average mainly in the upper 30s. So we have a super Sunday on tap for us here at Fox 8, as well as, you know, across the area and the region, really. I mean, you know the day. No weather problems. That's the key. If you are headed out to any of those parties, or maybe just want to get some errands or anything done on Sunday, we've got a sunny day and a dry one on tap. Plus it's warmer. Temperatures in the mid 40s. Valentine's Day plans. A lovely day for us. Temperatures continue to climb. We're in the lower 50s, and we're looking at a dry day. There is a slight outside chance that we could have a sprinkle or a light shower Tuesday evening, but for the most part, thinking that much of this will come overnight. Midweek, we could possibly be talking about record warmth once again. Our temperatures are going to top about 20, possibly 30 degrees above average. I'm expecting 60s. Possibly there's the outside chance that we could sneak up to 70. And the record on this day that I'm talking about, Wednesday is the day to watch. The record high is 64 degrees, and that was set back in 1953. So here's a look at what's ahead here. Our average high, 38 degrees. We're going to hit that today and then go above it as we head into the week ahead. Sunset this evening is at 5:56, just a couple of minutes before 6 o'clock. Temperatures, colder start for sure. 24 in Lorain. It is 26 in Akron. Willoughby checking in at 28. So we've got the colder air that's continuing to push into our area. It's going to be short-lived. Like today's going to be your chilly day, and then the warmth starts to come back in. It's nice and quiet, not a lot going on with high pressure sneaking in. Where we're seeing rain, you got to go down to the Carolinas. The rain will stay away for us mainly until Thursday. There will be a couple of spots here that we could have a couple of showers overnight, but your daytime hours, Thursday will be the day to watch. So really, we're just tracking lots of sunshine and temperatures across our area. This is 11:30, low 30s, right at the freezing point here. Upper 30s, possibly in our western areas. We could get right around 40 degrees, but again, lots of sunshine. Then some high clouds start to build back in as we go in through the night tonight. It's going to help keep our temperatures in the upper 20s rather than the low 20s. We're off to a mostly sunny start tomorrow. Again, these are high, thin clouds, and will likely soar in the mid 40s tomorrow afternoon. Again, lots and lots of sunshine. So a nice quiet weekend in store for us, even on Monday. 38 degrees, just a few morning clouds mainly off to the east. Winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10. Southerly winds tonight at 5 to 10, partly cloudy, back into the mid and upper 20s. And then tomorrow we've got a calm wind, mid 40s expected. Again, lots and lots of sunshine. You'll need your sunglasses the next 2 days, even into Monday. Monday will start to throw more cloud cover in, especially into Tuesday as well. It's your Valentine's Day, lower 50s. Now again, Tuesday night, there's a chance of some showers. It should be out once the sun comes up on Wednesday. Wednesday, though, winds pick up and temperatures increase in a big way. We're back into the low 60s on Wednesday. However, I have a hunch, and we might change this here over the next couple of days, we could possibly get into the upper 60s that day, just like we had that one day last week. And then again, our temperatures taking a nosedive back into the 30s Friday into Saturday. We do have the chance for some snow early Friday morning and then Friday night, chance for some lake effect. that. Back to you.
Sure.
Very, very busy man. He works for the city down in New Orleans, so he said Mardi Gras is.
God bless him.
You work
Yeah.
long days.
Yeah, that's something I've always wanted to do. So jealous of anyone who's ever made it down for the festivities. I know it's wild. I just want to see it.
Right.
I really do.
And once you see it, you'll be like, I don't know,
Okay.
okay.
All right.
I just kind of want to sit on one of the balconies.
That's
and
what I
just people
mean.
Yeah.
I just want to.
Yeah.
People watch across the area, you know? We're on sun watch right now.
Yeah.
We're still seeing some cloud cover
It's
here
peaking
in
and
Cleveland,
peaking
but
then.
it continues to peak out and more sunshine if you have the clouds. There are a lot of us that are seeing nothing but sunshine right now. A gorgeous start sky-wise. I mean, look it to the south. This is Faith Family Church down 77 in Canton, and you can see not a cloud in the sky. Not a cloud in the sky out in Put-in Bay, but there's some cloud cover here in Cleveland. Burke Lakefront, you've got clouds as well. So we're looking at those gradually eroding. It's our lake effect communities really that have a few clouds, but everybody dealing with the colder temps. So we are about 15 degrees colder than this time yesterday, but there's signs of changes. Look it off to the west. It's about 20 degrees warmer than this time yesterday in Minneapolis. We got another warm spell headed our way. Now, Lake Erie ice coverage. I told you I'd talk about it. At the moment, we're at 10%, and it's in the northern part of the western basin right now. That's where you can find some sort of ice. The highest ice concentration that we've had on Lake Erie occurred on February 5th at 40%, but that 10%, that's going to go away. I mean, look at these temperatures. We're warming up well above average in the week ahead. By the time we get past Valentine's Day, that Wednesday and Thursday, those are the days that our temperatures could be anywhere from 20 to upwards of 30 degrees above average. Wednesday's the day to watch. Probably tomorrow I'll put us in the upper 60s because I have a feeling that we're going to hit that mark, especially after what happened last week we're going to get the strong gusty winds again. It'll likely push our temperatures well into the 60s that day. And of course, that's when things start to change. Another system moving our way. Thursday will be our best shot of rain. That's going to transition over to snow as colder air moves in behind it. So here it is on Futurecast, your hour by hour. We've got a nice stretch of quiet days ahead of us. This is Wednesday at 7 o'clock in the evening. Still dry at that point. 6 a.m. we're likely starting to see a few showers developing in our far southeastern communities or southwestern communities. Again, Thursday morning. Widespread rain expected in the afternoon. That's going to continue into the evening, and then eventually the colder air catching up to it could change it over to a mix at times Friday morning. Friday night could have some wraparound lake effect snow showers here as we head into the upcoming weekend. So this weekend, enjoy it nice and quiet, sunshine ruling the sky, which is not typical for the month of February. And here comes our warm up. Mid 40s tomorrow, even Monday, Tuesday, we're into the 50s, lower 50s on Valentine's Day. And then Wednesday and Thursday, these are the 60-degree days. Like I said, I might bump this up into the upper 60s on Wednesday. I have a feeling it's going to happen. Low 60s still on Thursday. Unfortunately, that's going to kind of be your wash day. And then temperatures will be dropping throughout the day on Friday. So our temps not getting out of the 30s both Friday and Saturday with a risk of snow. Back to you. Road as we head through the morning hours. I mean, we're already seeing more breaks of blue here in downtown Cleveland. It's already sunny out to the west, to the south, and sunshine will rule the sky all weekend long, really. Temperatures today, seasonably cool. We're headed back into the 30s at Super Bowl Sunday. We've got temperatures in the mid 40s, another sunny and dry day, so no weather worries at all this weekend. Valentine's Day, it's a lovely day. There will be more in the way of cloud cover though, but temperatures in the lower 50s. And middle of the week, we're going to be watching for the chance to possibly tie, maybe even break some records. Temperatures headed well into the 60s. I'll let you know what days coming up. Our average high, 38 degrees. That's the high today. 38. So we're right where we should be this time of year. We just have a bonus day because of the sunshine. Normally we don't get a lot of sun in February. Sunrise this morning was at 7:28 and sunset is at 5:56. Temperatures in the upper 20s to right around 30 degrees. It's 30 in Willoughby and Akron. Hopkins Airport checking in at 28. The cooler air has settled into the region, but it's not going to last long. High pressure, this is our friend. This is what's going to keep most of the clouds out of our area and also more importantly, keeping us dry. That's going to shift itself to the east, and as it does, eventually things start to change as we head through the week. Warmer and warmer each and every day. All right, looking ahead here on Futurecast, again, temperatures upper 30s. There could be some stray low 40s off in our western communities. Tonight, a partly cloudy sky. That's going to help keep our temperatures from dropping into the lower 20s like this morning. We'll start off your day tomorrow morning in the upper 20s. By the afternoon, our temperatures soaring into the mid, possibly even upper 40s in spots, especially to our southern areas. So it's going to be a nice sunny, mostly sunny Super Bowl Sunday. Monday is a nice quiet day as well. 38 degrees today, tonight 26, partly cloudy, and then tomorrow, there you have it, 45 degrees with that calm wind. Now winds will eventually be an issue once again as we head towards our next system, but a nice sunny, dry stretch ahead of us. Monday into Tuesday, Valentine's Day, yes, there will be more clouds mixing in. In fact, Tuesday, I'm expecting the clouds to increase through the day, but our temperature is still increasing at 53. This is the day to watch. I guarantee you tomorrow morning I'm going to have at least 68 degrees on the map because I really think we're going to hit the upper 60s Wednesday afternoon. I have this hunch, even though model guidance going in the lower 60s. It's because of this wind. The winds will be gusting out of the south again. 35, 40 miles per hour. It's going to help drive our temperatures up once again, like we had last week, or the last couple of days here. 63 degrees on Thursday, so it'll still be mild, but it'll be a rainy, mild day. Rainy, windy, low 60s, and then it drops. Strong cold front moves through. Thursday night into Friday, we'll likely have a wintry mix early Friday morning, quiet in the afternoon. By Friday night, we'll be tracking lake effect showers as temperatures continue to tumble throughout the day. Back to you.
Here to let us know. I believe it's Nevada. Every time it comes up, I'm like, which one is it? Jenn's like, yeah.
I just think of Vegas. I'll just say Vegas. The state that you say the state that Vegas is in, people will know what you're talking about.
But they're very adamant. They're like, stop mispronouncing this.
Right.
Yes.
Sorry, everybody.
That's why I say the state that Vegas is in. That's how it goes.
So, look at this. Look at this. I mean, lots of sunshine.
She knows. She just doesn't want to tell us the right.
She shook her head.
Yeah.
She gave
It's
me an
Nevada.
answer.
It's Nevada.
Yeah, it's Nevada.
It's Nevada. Nevada. No, it's Nevada. All right, here's a look at what's going on time-lapse wise. We started off with some cloud cover around Cleveland. You saw it there. There's Burke Lakefront, and it's continuing to thin out. This is a beautiful sky. Then you step outside and yeah, it's still February. You're gonna need that winter coat. Temperatures ranging about 10 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. And here's your latest of Lake Erie. We do still have 10% ice coverage. Most of the concentration is in the northern western basin there, and that will likely go bye-bye here as the warm air soars back into our area. Look at our temperature trend here. It's going up and way up in the middle of next week. By Wednesday, that's the day that we're going to be watching for the potential of new records. The record high on Wednesday, 67 degrees set back in 1953. I think we could do it. I do think we're going to hit the upper 60s Wednesday afternoon. So that warm spell in for a little bit, and then we've got the colder air closing in behind it. And of course, when you get the clash of the warmer and the colder, you know there's going to be another system to track. Wind, once again, an issue with it, with that warmth. Then the rainy conditions. Your washout day will be on Thursday, and then behind it, we'll transition over to snow as the colder air moves in. So let me show you here on Futurecast. I'm skipping ahead till Wednesday evening because that's when things start to change. Clouds increasing by Thursday morning, showers developing in our southwestern communities. That continues to move to the northeast through the morning hours. Afternoon, we've got rain around. throughout the evening, and then eventually the colder air moves in behind a strong cold front. Likely start off as a wintry mix on Friday before sunup, then a mostly cloudy sky here Friday afternoon with possibility of a few flurries from time to time, but then lake effect as we head into Friday night and early Saturday. So there's our next snow chance. Enjoy this weekend. Beautiful, beautiful sunny skies. 38 degrees today, 45 tomorrow. Hanging out in the mid-40s on Monday into Valentine's Day. Clouds will be increasing, so clouds will likely win out. But as we head into Valentine's Day, temperatures still increasing. 53 degrees, 63 on Wednesday. I've been going back and forth in my head. Should I put 67, 68 on there? I really think it's going to happen, and part of the reason why is because it's going to be rather windy. We're going to get those wind gusts again out of the south, gusting between 35 and 40 for the average. We'll be watching out for the potential of another wind advisory issued on Wednesday. And as that cold front moves in, there is a chance of some thunder around on Thursday. Look at Thursday temps, though, still in the lower 60s. It's not until Friday. This high will be reached just after midnight, and temperatures will fall from there. We'll likely be right around freezing as we head into the afternoon. Back to you.
No, the Super Bowl is tomorrow in Arizona.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. But it's not only the big game taking place in the Valley of the Sun this weekend. Subway is hosting its own. I guess there's free Subway somewhere in there.
I hope so.
If you participate, they give you a coupon or something.
Right. Yeah, we were just talking about dips and appetizers, and oh, I'm excited.
Can't wait.
Lots of good food out there. And a lot of folks, what if you want to have a little Super Bowl watching party outside tomorrow?
Yeah, you'll have to wear a jacket,
Bring a
obviously.
heater. Bring a heater or something like that.
Right. But there will be some people that maybe just grill out. A lot of us still have our.
And the grill's ready to go.
We've got cool down.
Exactly.
It's going to be brief once again, so not a big chance for some major snow here in the next couple of days.
All right. Well, we'll rest up. Love the sunshine today. Get excited to eat tomorrow and not see the Browns, right?
Not see the Browns or the Lions or I think the Jets, one of several other teams.
Root for whichever Kelsey you root for.
There you go.
There we go.
We'll see you.